Welcome to Night and Day True Crimes, family. We back with another one. Man, what in the hell is going on out here? Well, your boy Justin Timberlake got pulled over for another DUI. So newly released police body cam footage from Justin Timberlake's DUI arrest in Sag Harbor, New York surfaced online. Your boy on there looking booked and cooked. Now he know damn well he shouldn't have been out there like that. He should have hopped his wobbly ass inside of an Uber. You got too much fame and money for your dumb ass to be out there like that. Man, get your behind in the house. You heard what I said. Go. Loser. Slacker.
Left foot on the line. Left foot on the line first. And then you're going to put your right foot in front of your left. Stay just like that. Okay? You're going to be heel to toe like this. Heel to toe. Put your left foot on the line. Yep. You're going to have your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to put our left foot on the line first. Put your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe.
That boy cooked.
And you can stay just like that, okay? Okay. So this is going to be a series of 9 heel to toe steps. I will demonstrate this like you're doing right now. Like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. Followed by a series of small steps around. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9 back. This is going to be heel to toe, so you're going to be clicking your heels as you're going, arms by your side. While you're doing this, you're going to look down at your toes.
Guys, I'm just following my friends back to my house. I'm not doing anything. I'm just following my friends back to my house.
Will you do these tests?
Sure.
Okay. Like I explained, it's going to be 9 heel to toe steps. You're going to be clicking your heels, arms by your side. Just wait until I have you go. Arms by your side. So it's going to look like this.
Sorry, I've never done this, so I'm just...
Just mimic him.
It's going to be arms by your side, just like that, while you're doing it.
Perfect.
Okay.
Your eyes are going to be looking at your toes
Okay.
as you take each step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
Once you get to your 9th step, like I demonstrated, your lead foot's going to stay planted, and you're going to take a series of small steps around, followed by 9 heel to toe steps back. Okay? Again, as you walk, you're going to be counting those steps out loud, looking at your toes. Arms by your side the whole way. So you're going to start with your left foot on the line. Okay. Right foot in front of your left. You got to stay like that, and then
Just like this?
it's going to look like that. We'll start, okay? We'll start.
He's going to tell you when you're supposed to begin. He just wants you.
I'm sorry.
You're all good. He just wants you to be in position. He's going to basically tell you when to go. Okay.
So I'm going to have you get in position, and then I'm going to say you may begin.
I got you.
So left foot on the line. Okay. Right foot in front of your left.
Ready?
And you may begin.
And then just walk. I'm sorry.
Here. Ready? Ready?
I'm a little nervous.
Left. Right foot in front. You're going to look down. Ready?
Loser.
1, 2,
Okay.
3,
Got you.
4. Like that, okay? Hang on. Let him tell you when to go. Let him tell you when to go. He's got to tell you when to start, okay?
Sorry.
No, you're good. Don't worry about it.
Sorry.
No, I want to make sure we want to make sure you do this right.
Right foot in front of your left.
Is this my line?
Whichever
Perfect, yep.
imaginary line you make, that's the line you're going to walk. And you may begin. 5, 7.
2 hours later.
I appreciate you boys for doing your job, man.
I appreciate that you understand that we got to do
Yeah, I
our thing.
appreciate you boys for doing your job. I had one martini and I followed my fucking friends home, and I appreciate you boys for doing your job. Yeah.
Just look over real quick before you sign it.
White? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, man.
So you're being held for the night, and then in the morning is the arraignment. So in the morning, usually around 9:30.
Being held all night?
It might not be this one. You might be over at the other one, and they actually have blankets for you.
Loser.
Wow.
Slacker.
And again, like I said, you can make a phone call if you would like. The attorney and things like that, you're allowed to call right now if you wish, or you can call later.
Yeah, at any point you want to make a phone call, let us know.
Yeah. You are entitled to have phone calls.